Today we're going to work putting some raised bed panels together. Some 2x6s that I ripped in half for the material for this job. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out the tin on top of the 2x3s. Make sure I get the first panel square with the 2x. I'll show you. Now overlap these panels a couple instead of just one because it's going to be a lot of weight pushing against it with the dirt inside. I'm going to have to pre-drill through this double layer. Now I'm going to flip all this around and do this other 2x. Alright, I got that panel done. I'm going to start on another one. Alright, I got both of the sides finished up. Let's take a look at them. Now I'm going to try to join the ends and the sides together. Me and my son tore down a building last year. I got a bunch of reclaimed 2x6s. Makes it a little easier with these projects. You ain't got to spend that extra cash. Time we invested in tearing it down, it didn't pay nothing, but we got to keep all the lumber. I'm going to cut some angles on these boards and get started on this. I got that wrapped up. I'm going to do something with these outside corners now. Put some 2x4s or something on them. I got to take a look. Alright, I got all the corners buckled up. We'll put a board in the middle for strength.